In today's video, I'll show you how to make your PC faster by disabling a few services. Disabling these services can improve performance, increase FPS in games, and boost overall PC efficiency. Be sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. Step 1. Deanimate your windows. Windows come with many default animations that can affect performance. To disable them, search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Open the performance options and select Adjust for best performance. Then check Show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. Click Apply to save the changes. Step 2. System configuration. Open System configuration in your PC in the Boot section. Click on Advanced Options. Select the maximum number of processors available for your PC and click OK. Next, go to the Services section. Check Hide all Microsoft services and disable the non-essential services. This will increase your PC's performance and reduce input latency and network fluctuations. Step 3. Disable unwanted startup applications. Go to the Startup section in Task Manager. Here you'll see a list of applications that start with your PC. Disable the ones you don't need to speed up your boot time and enhance performance. Only keep the essential applications. Step 4. Disable unnecessary services. Press Window plus R, type services.msc and open it. Scroll to find the sys main service, right-click it. Go to Properties and set the startup type to Disabled. Click Apply and OK. Step 5. Create a restore point. It's crucial to create a restore point before making these changes. Search for Creation Restore Point. Go to System Protection. Select Local Disk C and click Create. Name it Services so you can remember it. Click Create to save your restore point. That's it. Following these steps will help you optimize your PC's performance. I would really appreciate if you could drop a like and a sub. I'm on the road to 2,000 subs, and hitting that would be insane. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.